Welcome to Portal 7. The artificial intelligence AI is a game changer in the world of video creation, bringing efficiency to the forefront and saving precious time. So in this video, let's take a closer look at the Winx Video AI. Winx Video AI is an AI-powered video and image enhancer and converter, specially designed for enhancing, converting, compressing, editing, and recording your videos. You can enhance your image and video to cinema-grade quality using its generative AI features. It can upscale videos up to 8K in various formats with lowest file size. So let's start download. Click Open on Install a file. Installation in very simple. Click Open. Winx Video AI dashboard has 5 different features. So let's try one by one. First, I will try Image AI. Click on Image AI. Drag and drop any low-resolution image. As we can see, it's 1280 by 720 pixel image. In Preview panel, we can see before and after results. In right side panel in Super Resolution, we can choose 4 different AI models. If your image is anime, then choose anime. And in Natural Images, you can choose General Detail or Real Smooth, according to your needs. ZYXT model is experimental, you can try and check results. In Scale option, you can upscale image up to 4x. Or you can choose image resolution manually up to 8K. Except that you can enhance image quality without upscaling. Image restoration option can help to restore your old images. For example, I will remove yellow tint from this image. Now in export settings, you can choose image format and image quality. You can set output folder, then click on Run. As you can see, image resolution is upscaled 4x from its original size. Now let's compare image quality. As you can see, it does amazing work. I will test one more image and then I will compare results. As you can see, result image is much sharper and clear compared to the original image. Now let's try Video AI. Click on Video AI, drag and drop any low resolution video. Here you can see its width and height. Here I will set WinX AI model. Frame interpolation option can be used to increase or decrease video's frame rate. Stabilization option can be used to fix shaky videos. For now we will scale 2x with WinX AI model. In export model set video codec, audio codec and quality. Now click on Run. Exporting file can take less time or much time. Depends on your computer's GPU. As you can see, it worked very well. Video is upscaled 2x with amazing quality. You can see in frame interpolation option you can speed up frame rate up to 5x. Or you can use slow motion. Stabilization option has 1 pass or 2 pass mode. Use 2 pass for best results. It has 4 stabilization presets you can choose according to your needs. Now let's check video converter. Click on video converter, drag and drop any video. Click on gear icon and you will see all settings you can set according to your needs. You can also use other features such as effects, subtitle, cut, crop and watermark. You can convert your audio and video into many formats in various resolutions. Click on target format and you will see all output formats. Now click on Downloader. Downloader is very useful tool to download online videos from various social media and other sites. For example, I will download a YouTube video here. Copy URL link and click on Analyze. It will show you different resolutions and video formats. Choose one and click on Download. As you can see, it works perfectly. Last option is recorder, which can use to record computer screen or webcam. At this time, Winx Video AI has up to 67% off on latest version. It's limited time offer. Click on video's description to avail this offer. To see more videos like this, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.